welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today is a Saturday, and for today's video, I am going to be showing you the brand new beautiful Whispers of Winter collection by Redesign with Prima. They came out with 21 gorgeous new products. Some are very all season, some are kind of more fall, and then there, of course, there are some beautiful things for Christmas as well. And I'm shooting today in my Redesign with Prima display, and I just wanted to do this to kind of let you guys know too, to look at some of the other things that I have available on my website if you do decide you want to order some of the products, because I do have some things that were left over from last year that work great for fall. I still have a few fall molds as well as some Christmas ones and some of the beautiful decoupage papers that were released last year to mix and match in with this beautiful new release. So I just wanted to kind of put that out there for you guys before we got started. And without further ado, I'm going to start showing you some of these gorgeous new products. So I'm going to start with transfers, and just know that this release basically covered transfers and decoupage paper. There's going to be another portion of this release coming. I'm assuming that will have molds and possibly some different other things in it. But for now, it's just transfers and, of course, the decoupage paper. So transfers, I'm starting with the ones that kind of remind me more of summery and fall. The first one, I'll just start with one, is called Rosette Royale. It's this beautiful kind of viney rose set. I really like this one because it has a little bit of different colors in it, and it's very kind of informal, more open and airy, I think. So when you get 3 sheets, each sheet is 8.5 by 11, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. So I love this set. You're gonna hear me say that a lot. I love all of them. This one, I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that middle name. It's Belle. It's maybe Epoch Blooms, and it's more golden yellow roses. Really pretty set here. And again, you get the 3 sheets. This is a midi transfer, so 1, 2, and 3. I like this because it has some reverse of the same things. So if you're dealing with a piece that has 2 corners and you want to place something in each corner, that's kind of a nice little thing to have, is the reverse images. Bouquet de Provence, another one with more yellow roses rather than all the pinks that we've been seeing. And again, this one is a little bit more viney and airy, lots of greenery. And you can see again, those 3 sheets that you get with this set. Very pretty. And then this one I really like. It's more neutral. It will go on anything, and it has some butterflies and some branches in it. It's just a really pretty set. Try not to trip over my light here, you guys. And you can see again, you get these 3 sheets with all these gorgeous different leaves and branches and the butterflies in there. Then there are the big transfers. This one goes along with that last one. That one was called Quiet Contemplation. This one is called Branch Harmony. This is a large transfer, so these guys are 24 by 35. They come in 4 sheets, so you can put them all together. You can use the sheets separately if you want. And with this one, you could cut out some of the images and use them on smaller projects if you wanted. So these are the 4 sheets, so you get 1, 2, 3, and 4. They go together, so again, you can put the images together, or you could cut out pieces of the image and use them on a smaller project if you so desired. Then this I love. This is another one of my favorites. This one's called Blue Vine. Here's a picture of it down below. The total transfer, again, 24 by 35. And this one comes like this. So hopefully you can see this okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 sheets. And again, you can put this together, cut it in half maybe, and just put half on a thing. And then you can see here what they did on this gorgeous little dresser. I just think that's so pretty. And the last large one is called Aviary Elegance, sorry. This one again, 24 by 35. It's another beautiful one. This one comes with a bunch of birds. So for all you bird lovers out there, you get, again, the 4 sheets and lots of birds. It looks like there's birds on every single sheet. And you can see here again, the dresser that they did with this set. It's just really pretty. And again, I like having a little bit of that open space. And again, the ability to cut these apart and use them on smaller projects if that's what you decide to do with them. Now, these two are, I've never used the H2O transfers, so they're new to me, but they came out with 2 new H2O transfer sets. This one called Gilded Memories is fantastic. It's absolutely gorgeous. And so with these, you use water and you place them down on your piece, and then you peel up the backing and it leaves the impression on your piece. These look like they're really good for like glass or metal or porcelain, shiny, slick surfaces that they're meant to kind of go on. So again, this one's called Gilded Memories. It's gold, beautiful. The images are reversed because, again, you're going to be placing these on the item and then you'll be reading them from the front side. So, and you get 2 sheets. So each of these sheets you get with this set. So very pretty. I'm looking forward to experimenting with the H2O transfers. And then this one's called Nostalgic Blooms. It's some pretty kind of pinky roses, very feminine. If you look on my website, they did some plates with these that were just really pretty. So you get, again, the 2 sheets with the pink roses on it. And then on to the decoupage papers that I think are really good for all seasons. Not just fall or necessarily winter even. This one is called Blossom Perch. It's absolutely fabulous. So this is the paper. Hopefully you can kind of see it. It comes like this. It is 23.4 inches by 33.1 inches. The colors are fantastic. The nice thing about Redesign papers is that they are reversible. The only thing you have to be careful of when you're reversing is to make sure if you've got lettering or wording that you're putting it on the right side so you actually read whatever words are on your paper. If you do it backwards, then your words will be backwards. So that's my only word of caution with the reversible papers. But again, this is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous paper. I think they outdid themselves with all 3 of these. This one is called Blue Song, and it has got this beautiful blue paper with a gorgeous bird in there, and then just some vining. Love the colors in this one. Very, very pretty. And I like the fact that it's portrait instead of landscape. It kind of gives you some different options to use it, which is nice. And lastly, which is probably my favorite, is called Feathers in the Glow. I absolutely love the copper. So this is the paper. It's got these 2 little cute birds and just all this gorgeous. Could you imagine this on a piece of furniture and then some like dark brown or copper details in there? It's just really stunning to me. So, and here's what they did with it on a little dresser. So, and then again, the paper. So that's it for the all season or fall stuff. And then I am going to show you next what they did for Christmas. So now we're on to Christmas. And as I said, all that I have right now with our first part of this release are transfers and decoupage papers. And so I'm going to show those to you. We'll start with one called Gilded Elegance, which is really, really pretty. I love this one. I'm a sucker for decorated ornaments. So, and this one has quite a few of those. So you can see here, and these come with bonus sheets. Normally MIDI transfers only have 3 sheets. These come with a 4th. So you get all 4 of these gorgeous sheets in this one transfer set. So all of those beautiful baubles and greenery and all of that. So an absolutely fantastic set. This one is called Whimsical Holiday Dreams, and it kind of goes back to the Alice in Wonderland theme. And so forgive the light, you guys, in the background. One of my fluorescents is having some sort of conniption today. So it keeps kind of, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to replace a bulb, but right now it keeps flickering and then kind of going dim a little bit. So if you see light kind of going on and off, that's what's happening. Anyway, so this one's called Whimsical Holiday Dreams, and it's Alice in Wonderland themed. And again, you get bonus sheets, so it comes like this, and you get 4 sheets of Alice in Wonderland. So all sorts of cute little things that you can use on your smalls. So just a fun little set. And then just a reminder too, I do still have, where is it here? The Whimsy Craft Chronicles mold. I have 2 of these in my stock too, and these would go really well with that. It's got a little Alice in Wonderland with some balloons if you wanted to have something to kind of accent and do something different to go with that transfer set. This one is called Village of Wonder, and it's a beautiful set again. I really like this one. I think this one would be really pretty just if you did it on some wood blocks or in some little frames. You could do a set of the little houses, and you get 4 sheets again. So all 4 of those come together for the same price. It's still $15.99 for the 99 cents for the whole set. Then this one is called Heavenly Wings. So it's all angels and very, very pretty. And again, 4 sheets. So start here. Just a really pretty, I love all the gold. I love gold and ivory for Christmas. And so this set would be perfect with kind of a gold and ivory theme. This one's called Yuletide Nostalgia, and it kind of takes you back a little bit to more old-fashioned Christmas. It's got some really kind of old-fashioned images in it. I absolutely love the wreath here. So just another really pretty option for smalls for Christmas. So, and again, the 4 sheets. The next one is called the Sacred Night Collection. This one is all about the actual birth of Jesus. It's got a really pretty nativity right here, and more angels and little baby Jesus in there. Very, very pretty set. So many things you could do with this. Absolutely love it. I love the doves. They're so pretty. So that is it for the transfers. And then there are 3 of the decoupage fiber paper. Now these have 3 sheets in them. Each sheet is 11.7 by 16.5 inches. So they're a little bit smaller. They're a good size if you want to do a frame with them. And so this is the first one. This one's called Christmas Blessings. I'm going to flip it this way so you can kind of see the 3 images you get are right here. So you get this pretty little church and the little cardinals and then the truck with this set. So just a nice kind of nostalgic set again. Then this one is called Santa's Woodland Stroll, and it's another really pretty kind of country set. This one has 3 images, 3 different pieces of paper. So in this one you get the barn, you get this pretty door, and then you get this gorgeous Santa with a tree on the back. And then the last thing is this one called Christmas in the Countryside. And again, kind of a country scene, obviously, hence the name. And so you get this pretty little barn and these gorgeous cardinals, and then a little wagon. So that is that set. And then, like I stated earlier, I still have some things in my stock from last year. I kind of had them stashed away and hidden, and I just brought them back out and put them in my display. So if you're interested at all, in molds. I have this one called Holy Harmony from last year that has crosses. This would go really well with either the angel set or the nativity set. I have this one called Dazzling Ornates, really pretty ornaments that would go really well with that first set with the baubles in it. And then I still have Paper Craft Charms, which is all sorts of snowflakes. So just a thought if you guys are interested. And there's also a few papers that I have left over from last year. So feel free to check those out online at www.theeclecticcottagespokane.com. I so appreciate your orders. Anyway, that's it from here for today. I hope you enjoyed my little preview of the beautiful new items from Redesign with Prima. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And then of course, just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know, did you have a favorite item? Any questions? I'd be free to goodness, I keep stumbling over my words. I'd be happy to answer them for you. So just put your comments or your questions below. Let's see, for Wednesday's video, I am just about done with the chair, so I'm hoping to have that for you guys, plus hopefully a couple other products or projects. I am thinking of using one of the sets of the new decoupage paper on one, so we'll see how that goes. But I hope you'll join me back here for on Wednesday for that. Until then, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend and beginning of the week. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it, and I'll see you back here on Wednesday. Bye.